Hello everyone, if your Arc Raiders keeps crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to stop Arc Raiders from crashing on your computer easily. So first off, you need to make sure that you don't have any overlay applications running in the background. So any applications like MSI Afterburner, Corsair IQ, just close them up. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Discord. If you have it running in the background, you're going to go into the settings of Discord. You're going to scroll down until you find Game Overlay, and then you're just going to make sure that you turn off Discord's overlay. And after that, you're going to go into advanced, and then you're going to make sure that you turn off hardware acceleration as well. And then you're going to click change and restart, and then you're going to open up your game's platform. So Steam for me, you're going to right click on your Arc Raiders, and then you're just going to disable the Steam overlay while in game. And once you do that, then you should be able to play Arc Raiders and it will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.